Hello guys, welcome to AQTech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a cool thumbnails for your YouTube video on canva.com. So it's cool website, you may try it. This is the website which is called canva.com, www.canva.com. So after visiting this website, you have to just go to the social media tab and then click. If you specifically for creating YouTube video thumbnails, then you go for the YouTube thumbnails, go to there, and then now we have cool tools and everything here. You can take it as per required, but right now I'm going to set this page size, resize, and it's okay, it's fine, absolutely fine. 1280 and 720 as per the YouTube dimension thumbnail. Okay, so just then select the background from here. So any background you want, like right now, sort of background I need. But if you don't like these background, these built-in background, so you go for your own background, click on the background and then select the background. Like if you want a simple background like this, just click here and it's applied here. But as per situation, what I have to do is select a background, any background as per your YouTube video theme. Like here we have, okay, anyhow, okay, let's take anyhow, let's take the same, and you can increase or decrease the transparency and opacity, in other words you can see. If I click here, so I get this. If I click here, any background you want, I just showing you the background, lots of the background here, and this background if I like to. Okay, let's take it. And then we have, I'll just make it little transparent, and then any image I want to take. For example, if I want to write something here, click on the text and then take heading, line, whatever you like. How to make YouTube video thumbnails online on Canva. Okay, so let me set the text like this, and then you may change it anywhere. Okay, how to make, I want to make it increase little more. How to make, take here. If you want to change the color, red color, it's too red, let's go there, and blue color. Okay, oh, it's not visible, so take very carefully. This one may be better. Online on Canva, the same color if you want to take, it's okay. Okay, and I want to take image here, so what I have to do, go to the image or photos and take a photos from here. Like right now for image, okay, if I want to, if I go to search here, like thinking, someone is going to think, okay, right, this, just take it, and then you can take it on the right side or left side, whatever, make it more visible. Okay, that's good. Then if you want to create a background for all these text. So what you have to do is just go to the background, and maybe it's background or maybe photos. In photos you just go there and then rectangle. Okay, click on rectangle so you can see the rectangles. Okay, if I want like this, simply if I want to take this rectangle, now you can see the rectangle, and we are going to make this like this. Okay, as per your required. If you don't like this background, then just leave it. If you want to put it the background of this image, so just right click here and send back. Now you can see it's sending behind, and then you make it more visible. Now you can see this is how you can make. If you want to change the color and size, even you can make the size as well. Okay, right now I want to change the color, the red color. It's not visible here, so I want to make it white color. Okay, it's okay. So how to make a YouTube video thumbnails. Okay, so just thumbnail and go to there and color, and any color you want. Like right now I want to take this color, and the size should be increased. So this is how I'm going to increase the color thumbnails. It's not good, so you may decrease as per its theme, and then change color only. So sorry, not the background color, just text color. We actually want to change the color to make it visible to the people, so people can see it easily. Okay, this color would be not this one, sorry. The red one is also, and I have the yellow one, the same thing. On Canva online, if I want to do this and just want to make it increase, just want to make it increase, and you can see here on the Canva online, on Canva, make it more visible so that people can see the online easily, and the text move little bit up so that we can see here. It's okay. Now if you want to make more changes, then you can. Other than it's okay, the same thing, it does work. And then we have photos. If you go to photos and then see here any other photo if you want, like here, okay, free take, yes, I can see here the free take. So take anyone. Okay, this is the free take, but it has its background, so we don't want background actually. So background less like this. Okay, it's okay. And just click here and then move it like this, and then resize it up. Maybe this. Okay, so this 3 is actually going this. Oh, it's not visible, so we have to take another tag, which is even you can you can use your own if you have, but you have to log on with your email address, so it's okay. We just put this the free in anywhere, but it's not good, so just leave it. Right now, if you want to put this here and the background here, and then this would be here, and then if you change this like this, then you can see it's okay. Still we can use the background. Okay, if I want to change full background, it's okay. This looks good, so okay. And then flip to the right, and like we have flip to right, left, horizontal, like this. Okay, now you can take the free take. Like this was the free take, and we are going to take this. Okay, let's take this, just right click our okay, oops, here is in Canva. You have to bring it out. Okay, then we can use it online for free like this. So anything you think it's free, for free online on Canva. Okay, so now what I have to do, I want to just download this image, and now what we have, pay and download. So we don't want to pay this for right now, so what you have to do is just click here on the corner. Here's the present full screen, just click here, and here we have full screen, and just the cursor down on the bottom just for a while, and then just press print screen from the keyboard. Just press print screen from the keyboard, and then press escape button and open Paint from your computer, this tool, and just control V for paste. Now you can see this is wonderful. If you want to make this the same size, then go to properties, and then what you have to do, 1280 and 720 is the actual size required. This is how you can, and again you can just delete it and control V for paste. Now you can see this. So this is how you can make a Canva thumbnail for free. If you want to change the color from here, then you can do it, other than it doesn't require it at all. Like here you can see this, I want to put something here on the YouTube videos. Okay, then even I can change color, and then it's okay. If you want to do this other than, it's okay, this is absolutely fine. Just go to the file and save as, and then go save it, Canva thumbnails, and then just png, not jpeg, and just go and save it. Now we can see in the folder. Okay, now you can see in the thumbnail. Now where is the thumbnail? Just mad it. This is the thumbnail. Just go and open up it. Here we go. So hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe the video.